Students will going to be see now the second problem, how we can draw this particular problem on the mobile AutoCAD. So basically, first of all, whenever you try to watch this video, before that you will have to download the image of that problem from the Google Classroom and keep that problem in front of you, and then you can watch this video and try to do simultaneous practice. Before we draw this particular problem, so I want to tell you that in the mobile AutoCAD we cannot draw the isometric circle actually, because the option has not been given to draw the isometric circle. So we can just keep that particular part, and the rest of the part we can just draw and for in the particular isometric projection over here. So whenever we observe this diagram in the elevation and the plan view, that is the front view and the top view, it is having the length of the 100 mm, width is having the 50 mm, and height is also have the 50 mm of the length. So 100 by 50 by 50 of this rectangle or the cubical structure we'll have to draw. So for that purpose we'll have to take the projection line. So go to this particular setting command, and in earlier video also we have seen that whenever we are drawing the isometric diagram, in the polar setting, that is your polar tracking should be on and your incremental angle should be the 30 degree you have to select. Then go to the layer properties, that is a layer, and you have to set the layers over here. So first of all we're going to set the layer for the projection line, and this layer is the index 21 color we are choosing, so choose that like this. Second property we're going to select is the outline. So this is your outline. Color we're going to select as an yellow color and OK. Then we're going to select the next line as an center line, because in the isometric projection we require the outline, projection line and center line only. We not require any kind of the hidden line. Center line will be your red color, and that will going to be select over here. Then we click on the center line, 3 dots, and we select the line type as an center line over here, like this center line. And other points regarding the outline, we could select the line weight as an 0.3 mm over here, like this. So we have selected. Now we require the projection line for drawing. So go to the projection line, 3 dots, set the current layer over here. Click on this set current and go back. Draw, click on the draw, click on the line command and draw the two lines, that is a 30 degree of the inclined line. So move your cursor on the screen, and on the both side you will have to draw that lines like this. So on the left side we're going to draw the length of the 100 mm, escape, and on the right side we're going to draw the length of a 100 mm over here. So like that we will have to draw these particular lines.